yourself. Discover as the colors of our majestic event of ICAI CSR Award.
Good evening to all of you for this ICI first CSR award.
This side.
The CSR award, before we start up the formal traditional things, we have to lighten the lamp. On this auspicious occasion, I request the chairman of this committee, Rajkumar Adukia ji, past president Uttar Pradesh Agarwal ji, the guest of honor Prakash Jha ji, the chief guest Anand Gite ji, my central council member S.V. Jhavre ji, Vijay Gupta ji, Atul Gupta ji, Vijay Garg ji, Jay Chhera ji, Nihar Jambusaria ji, Praful Chhajar ji, Sanjeev Maheswari ji, and Nilesh Vikram ji to come for the light.
Sir.
I also request Rakesh Jain, the CEO of the Reliance General Insurance.
very good evening to all of you, and thank you for turning up in such large numbers. This is yet another innovative program hosted by WRC. I must thank Dheeraj for his hard work, CA Rajkumar ji and CA SB Javed ji for his support and hands-free approach. While I personally believe that the government is primarily responsible for all the corporate systems in the world, whether it's any government, Indian government or any other government, but this mandate in the New Companies Act puts more responsibilities on the corporate world. This CSR Awards, especially by ICAI, is to create awareness amongst the larger sections of the corporate world of its responsibilities. We are here to celebrate the work done by companies, individuals, projects which have been supported much before this mandate has actually come in from the Companies Act. I congratulate all the winners, but let me put this in record. There are no winners. All nominees for the awards are the true winners. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Now I request the chief guest of today evening, Sri Anand Gide Sahab, the Union Minister of the Heavy Industries and Public Enterprise. Please come on the dais. Thanks. Welcome him with a lot of sound. And now requesting, yes.
ICAI द्वारा आयोजित CSR अवार्ड समारोह में उपस्थित ICAI के सारे पदाधिकारीगण, CSR अवार्ड्स जिन्होंने प्राप्त किए हैं वो सारे अवार्डीज, और इस समारोह को सफल बनाने के लिए इस सभागार में उपस्थित भाई और बहनों, CSR अवार्ड्स ICAI के द्वारा पहली बार दिए जा रहे हैं। देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने सारे कॉरपोरेट जगत को अपील किया है आज भी हमारा देश 70% ग्रामीण है। जो सुविधाएं हमें शहरों में प्राप्त है, ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में उन सभी सुविधाओं की कमी है। और इसलिए सरकार की तो ये जिम्मेवारी है, लेकिन सरकार के साथ साथ जो उद्योग जगत है, उस उद्योग जगत की भी यह जिम्मेवारी है, और उद्योग जगत और सरकार यदि दोनों मिलकर किसी जिम्मेवारी को यदि पूरा करना चाहते हैं तो मेरा पूरा विश्वास है कि देश के हर नागरिक की ज़रूरत को हम पूरा कर सकते हैं। और इसलिए CSR का एक अपना महत्व है। इस बार प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अलग अलग क्षेत्र में, अलग अलग विभाग में, अलग अलग सेवाओं में, सुविधाओं में हम अपने सारे कॉरपोरेट जगत के जो CSR के फंड्स हैं उनको अपने अपने ढंग से इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इस बार पहली बार प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये अपील की है और बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला, और प्रायोरिटी दी है टॉयलेट्स को। और ख़ास तौर पर जो ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में कन्याओं के स्कूल्स हैं, कई ऐसे विलेजेस हैं, कई ऐसे गांव हैं जहां पर आज भी ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में ये सुविधा उपलब्ध नहीं है। और इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये अपील की, पूरे कॉरपोरेट जगत ने उनको समर्थन दिया और मुझे ये विश्वास है कि ये जो ज़रूरत थी इसको 100% एक ही साल में निश्चित रूप में हम पूरा कर पाएंगे। और इसलिए जिस प्रकार से उद्योग जगत अपनी जिम्मेवारी को निभा रहा है, तो उद्योग जगत के साथ साथ हमारी जो दूसरी सर्विस इंडस्ट्री है, ये सर्विस इंडस्ट्री ने भी सरकार को सहयोग करने का निर्णय किया। आज लगभग सारी सर्विस इंडस्ट्री इस दिशा में सहयोग कर रही है और इस सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में आप ICAI, आप इसी से जुड़े हुए हैं और आप भली भांति जानते हैं, अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि समाज की ज़रूरतें क्या है, समाज की मांग क्या है, हमें समाज के लिए क्या करना चाहिए। और इसीलिए जो CSR में अच्छा कार्य कर रहे हैं उन्हें प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए आपकी संस्था ने राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर ये अवार्ड्स यहाँ पर समारोह आयोजित किया है। मैं भारत सरकार के मंत्री के नाते आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ, आपका अभिनंदन करता हूँ। और इसलिए इस समारोह में मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में आज इस समारोह में मैं यहाँ पर उपस्थित हूँ। यह कोई राजनीतिक मंच नहीं है और कोई राजनीतिक बात मुझे यहाँ से करनी भी नहीं है, लेकिन शायद आप मेरी बात से सहमत होंगे कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी के आने के बाद सारे देश ने पहली बार ये महसूस किया होगा कि सरकार है। अब जब हमने सरकार को स्वीकार किया है, माना है, तो सरकार के साथ साथ कदम बढ़ाने की हमारी भी जिम्मेवारी है और पहला कदम ICAI ने आज यहाँ पर उठाया है। वैसे हम राजनीतिक लोग हैं, हमारे लिए तो किसी भी मंच पर एक तौर पर यह अवसर होता है। मैं इस अवसर का अधिक लाभ नहीं लूंगा, लेकिन ICAI के द्वारा CSR अवार्ड्स यहाँ पर दिए जा रहे हैं। मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में उन्होंने मुझे आमंत्रित किया है, इसलिए मैं उन्हें धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और आने वाले समय में हमें देश को आगे बढ़ाना है। 2020 में पूरे विकसित राष्ट्रों के पंक्तियों में हमें जाके शामिल होना है और इसलिए चलो हम मिलकर, साथ मिलकर आगे बढ़े। और यही नारा देते हुए मैं आयोजकों को धन्यवाद देता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
So this is a great honor to honor all the sponsor. So I request the MD of the India Infoline to be on the stage. Please welcome him with a lot of applause. I also request the Reliance General CEO Rakesh Jain ji come on the dais. The New India General Insurance Company, the CFO Hari Srinivas ji, please come on the dais. Hari Srinivas ji, Yes Bank, the banking partner, I request my friend Vivek Bansal to come on the dais. or anyone on the behalf of that? Yeah. Before that, I request the Vice President to say a few words for this occasion. Only few words, sir.
Honorable President, C.A.K. Raghu, Chairman of this committee, Rajkumar ji, my esteemed council colleagues, past President, and dear friends, my compliments for this wonderful program. The first time ICI is organizing CSR awards, and I'm sure these awards will go a long way. And my compliments to all the awardees who are going to come forward and who have already come forward and taken these awards. May these awards bring in better corporate social responsibilities in our country. I'm sure about that. My greetings once again to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the President, ICI, to say a few words. I request Jamni sir to come on the dais.
Good evening, friends. Vice President of our institute, Mr. Manoj Fadnis, Chairman for this committee, Mr. Rajkumar Adukia, Chairman of the Western India Regional Council, Mr. Anil Bhandari, Vice Chairman of the committee, Mr. Zavri, Mr. Dheeraj Khandelwal, distinguished members of the council, regional council members, past presidents, and all the members and other invitees present here. It gives me immense pleasure to be amongst you this evening on the first ever CSR awards being given today to many organizations, many institutions who have been involved in CSR work. My compliments and congratulations to all the awardees. We wish them good luck. And the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is trying to see how best we can contribute to the CSR activity in the country, and I'm sure CSR activity would help and benefit the society, and as a profession we can play a very important role in this very important CSR that has been introduced under the new Companies Act. Thank you very much, and I'm extremely thankful that all of you have responded to our invitation, and we would like to make this award ceremony much bigger, much better, and good luck to all of you.
The first category is the best CSR project in women empowerment. I call upon the dais, the Central Council member Anuj Goyalji on the dais. Request the Regional Council member Julfe Saab, Vice Chairman, Shruti Saab, Secretary WRC, come on the dais. Now I call upon the award presenter, Mr. Sajid Nadewala, come on the dais. Sajid bhai. Sajid bhai, come on the dais. I request the Central Council member Anuj Goyal to announce the award, and for that the AV is there. Nominees are for the best CSR project in women empowerment: Bharat Petroleum, Ismail Foundation, and Yes Bank. I request to announce the awardee name.
Very good evening, friends. Best CSR project in women empowerment. The award goes to Ismail Foundation.
Very good. The CEO of this Ismail Foundation is here. I request the Sajid bhai to give the honor the Ismail Foundation CEO with a trophy. The next category is the Best CSR Innovation Award. I request Vishnu Agrawal, Regional Council Member, Sandeep Jain, Regional Council Member, and Nihal Bhai, Central Council Member, come on the dais. I request Nihal Bhai, Center Council Member, to announce the award Innovation Award category. The nominees are for this Innovation Award is Smile Trend, Villa White and Reliance Foundation.
Friends, the best CSR project in innovation award goes to Reliance Foundation.
Whoa! Reliance Foundation! And the first one is Dimar Bhai is also from the Reliance Foundation and Reliance Industries. He is announcing the award and he is taking the award. Sal Bhai, please do the honor by giving the award. The next category is Best CSR Project in Rural Development and Rural Sport. I request our Regional Council Member Subodh Kedia and Sunil Patalia to come on the dais. And the Regional Central Council Member Sanjay Mahishriji come on the dais. The request, the celebrity, the Madhu Bhandari ji come on the dais. The nominees are the Best CSR Project in Rural Development and Rural Sport, BPCL, Bharat Petrol Corporation, Magic Bus India Foundation, and SR Foundation. I request the Sanjay Mahishriji ji to announce the award.
Good evening, friends. The best CSR project in rural development and rural sports. It's a tie. And it's a tie between Bharat Petroleum Corporation and Magic Bus India Foundation.
Magic Bus India Foundation. I request for BPCL, the company from BPCL. Now the Magic Bus India Foundation. Magic Bus India Foundation. Just 10 awards. All. 6 awards. Yeah. Just 7. The next category is Best CSR in Health Corporate. I request our Central Council Member, Ladies up to come on the list. Ladies up and Regional Council Member Susha Chikle and our own Thana King come on the list. Mahesh Mandolkar. The nominees are for the best CSR project in health corporate is Adhunik Power, Hindustan Unilever Limited, and Reliance Foundation. I request Central Council Member Reddy Saab to announce the award.
Good evening, friends. Best CSR project in health corporate award goes to Hindustan Unilever Limited. Hooray!
To give the award. The next category is the best CSR project in health NPO. I request Center Council member, our own friend Bilkul Bhai to come on the dais, and I request the celebrity Ritesh Deshmukh. I request the Center Council member, Bilkul Bhai, to announce the award. The nominees are Kirai, Hand in Hand, and Sadhya Foundation. I request Bilkul Bhai to announce the award.
I'm happy to announce Best CSR Project in Health NPO award goes to CRY, CRY.
Corporate, I request the Center Council member Nilesh Bhai to come on the dais. The Regional Council member Mangesh Bhai come on the dais along with Sadhu Shah. The nominees are Tata Motor, BPCL and TCS. I request Neil Bhai to announce the award.
The award in the category Best CR Project in Education and Skill Development Corporate goes to Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. And the regional council member, Vishnu Agarwal, come on the dais. Preeti Savla, the regional council member, Preeti Savla, come on the dais. The nominees are for this category. The nominees are Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad, Kirai, and Magic Bus India Foundation. I request Jai Shera to announce the award. Best CSR Project in Education and Skills Development NPO. Award goes to CRY, Child Relief and Youth.
The next category is Special Category Award, and there is no nominees in this category. I request the Central Council member Atul Gupta ji come on the dais. And Regional Council member from Pune, Rajiv Mundra ji come on the dais. I request Jai Shriram to give the honor in place of Atul Gupta ji. The award goes to
Special Category Awards. Award goes to Bangalore Speech and Hearing Trust.
wow, this is the award given by the Supreme Analysis Director this Bangalore Speech and Hearing Trust. I request it is to give the honor. The next category is the Best CSR Citizen Award. And the Best Citizen CSR Award, the nominee has selectively decided that this is award only goes to the one person. So I request the President himself will announce the award. Request the President do the honor.
The Best CSR Citizen Award goes to Mr. Azim Premji.
Representative from the Aziz family here. I request President and Legislators to the honor. From Aziz family Foundation, Aziz family behalf. There are two more categories in the award. The Best CSR Project in Elimination of Poverty. I request the past chairman, Jain Sahab, KC Jain Sahab to come on the dais. And the regional council member, Mangesh Khanna ji, to come on the dais. I request KC Jain Sahab to announce the award.
Best CSR Project in Alleviation of Poverty award goes to Tata Chemicals.
Tata Chemical. Our own Tata member Atul Priyaji coming for this Citizens Award. The nominees are for the Best CSR Project in Environment Management Horticulture is Hindustan Unilever Limited, TCS, to announce the award.
Hello ICI CSR Award. Best CSR project in environment management. This award is shared by Hindustan Unilever and Reliance Foundation. Congratulations. Congratulations.
The Reliance Foundation, the last award. Thank you. Yeah, now it's over. We have the appreciation which we're going to be honored. Yeah, and I request Rex Mukhi to say a few words for this award. For C. Yeah.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank ICI for calling me here, for being part of this prestigious awards. I wish them all the best. I want to congratulate every winner here, and I think CSR, all the kind of social responsibility that we always speak about from the corporate side. It's been awarded today because of the good work that you guys have been doing, and it's a learning curve for people like me who are individuals and not corporates, that we too need to do something. And I guess in our own capacity, I myself would like to pledge that I will do something towards social responsibility. So once again, thank you so much for calling me here, and it's an honor for me to honor such distinguished.
Excuse me, please welcome Mr. Adit Pancholi. Give him a big round of applause.
Mr. Adit Pancholi.
Thank you.